Ayan agad, oh. Iyan agad. Coach Sasa MRT. Two boys. 15. Two boys. Sayang. Kaya two boys. Kaya two boys. The voice by the bride. The voice by God's child. Bibitaw. Bang! The voice. The voice by God. Wale. The voice. Magaling siya ng Texas ito sa ito. The voice. 21-18. The voice. Masjid. The voice. Namanay na isa. Kelly. Isisur na. The voice. Pinasa number 3. Pinasa sa ilalim. The voice. Alhamdulillah mo. Good. The voice. Right. Oops. Good, good. Good now, good. The voice.
Nakalista na kayo?
Okay. Uy! Sayang mo! Rebound ng kanyang kapag-ipisa. Pang-all! All 20. Good! 1 minute 13. 2 points. 1 minute 10.
Ito yung ginawa mo, di ba?
Two points. Oh. 5. 2 points. Apaganda pa tayo, please. Sinilid na lang.
Kaya Robby.
10. Ubos. Ayan na. Pinasa ay Jason Miss. Urgent to boys.
Alas yard.
10. Back to boys by Jason. Aray ko. Tension. Bang! Ganda naman, no? Jason. Jason. Ulap. Bang! Tingnan. Alikon. Pili.
Galit yung paso.
Buha. Sepak. Wala. Ganda! Buhay! David. Ay, sayang. 2 points. 45. Ay, nakakopla.
Step pa!
Ayan na.
Ano ba naman yun? 5. 2 points. Matthew. 2 points.
Ano naman? Sakit. Kadengi.
Matagal nga yun.
Ergil. Bam! Talaga pang pangalan pinanggit ko, Tarso. Ga. Ergil. Pull up. 2 points. Matthew. Ganda naman nun. Ganda naman nun. 2 points. Jason. Puta, ang bilis para naka-district, you know? Ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points, sumahabol na. 2 minutes. Bakay. Bukis. Pasa pa na yun kay Raymond. Oxford. Matthew.
Sinik yung braso.
Ayo. Bakay.
Wala pa rin.
Ayan na. Babawi. Depensa.
Cross.
Ang gandang ikot. 1 minute 15. 2 points. Grabe na dun. 2 points. Nakakaiwan sa rin. 47. Present. 45. 3 points. 5. Nice bump. 2 points.
Bump. Patay.
Ang aga naman nun.
Hindi kayo matama ang salamin doon, Dad. Mata niya.
2 points. 4 points. Two points. 2 points. 1 minute and 38. 2 points. Pinasa kayo. Kelly yun ang maganda doon. Great. Ay! Napalasta pa! Ano? Di sumasat. Good. Seal. Hell. Sinuro na. 30 seconds. Donato, the always late.
Two points.
2 points. 2 points. 18. 2 points. Ay, Lord. Suruhan na ba? Aray ko.
Ulam.
Good. Pass to Donato. Donato. Ganda ng spin yan. Ganda. Ayun.
Yun ang mahirap sa speed move, no?
Spin no? 2 points. Good. God, 21. guys, hindi umalang pipot. Allen to bahay. Sinupong. Bang! Ganda. Pag-steal. Allen. Tutok. 2 points. 30. Sana pag na-shoot ko. 3. Marky. 2 points. Hinintay pa. Relax. EJ. 2 points.
Ayaw dun.
Coach. Pasa kay Kuakal. 2 points. 5. 2 points. 6-2. Ahoy! 2 points. Uy, hindi mo sila start. Sorry. Pinasa kay Arlo. Coach. Voice by EJ. Voice. Back, front, good, bench.
Binauna na.
Voice. EJ. Wala. Jason. Voice. Voice. Jason. Napaganda pa. Voice. 4-14. Voice. Galing. Voice, dalawa lang yan guys. 55, 15, 18, 10, voice. Voice.
Sa may group eh. Bawas.
Jason. Jason. Oops. Good, 2 boys. Kaya alanganin. Jason. 2-4. Kaya naman. Ganda. Isa na lang. 15 to shoot. Nice pass! Grabe. 88 guys ha. 1 minute 40. Goal the back pass. 2 boys. Automatic yan. Yes, okay. Coach Sanz. Libre-libre.